The courtroom comes to order. All rise. Judge Vonderby takes the bench, and the room settles into silence. Case number JVB 1014 is called. The case of Taylor. 2 parents. 2 children. And a financial dispute that's about to get very real.
Judge Vonderby, court is now in session. This is case number JVB 1014, case of the Taylors.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Okay, Mr. Taylor,
Yes, ma'am.
you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Okay, so Sam and I split up a while back, but
Mr. Taylor steps forward. Calm but firm. He explains that 2 months ago, the mother of his children moved out, leaving the kids in his care. An 11-year-old daughter. A 6-year-old son. Since then, he says, he's been doing it all. And now, he's asking for child support and back pay.
2 months ago she moved out and left me with our darling children. I have an 11-year-old named Emma,
Okay.
and my 6-year-old boy is Braxton. And my 2 kids live with me. She's been out of the house for 2 months. I'm seeking 2 months of back child support and child support.
Okay. And why didn't you give him any money when you left? Obviously, if he's asking for 2 months worth of back.
The mother responds. She's a nurse with long, irregular hours. She says the arrangement was practical. The kids stay with him because his schedule is steadier. She insists she contributes in other ways. Emotional support. Time. Care when she can. The courtroom reacts. The judge leans in.
Pay.
So he's asking for money, but what he's not including is the fact that I'm a nurse. I work intense hours that are very irregular. So we decided it was best if the kids stay in his home since he has a more steady daily schedule. I am living with my mother when the kids have a day off of school or a weekend where I'm available or any time that they need to be taken care of. They are with me or with my mother at that time. He is saving on daycare, any care like that, and I am spending the emotional support.
The judge stops her cold. Emotional support is not a payment method. The law is clear. If the children live primarily with one parent, that parent is custodial. And the other parent has a legal obligation. No exceptions. No creative interpretations.
Time with them and also providing for.
Did you really just say that? You're spending emotional support?
I don't understand what's wrong with that.
You're not paying him any money.
Spending. I am not paying him. The children are with me approximately half the time. We don't have a formal agreement on that.
Approximately, but not half the time, right?
No.
Okay. So, you should be paying child support to him.
If we want to lay down the hours and really count it out, then we can. I work usually 4 days.
The numbers come out. The mother earns about $80,000 a year. The father earns more, $125,000, but income doesn't change custody facts. The judge makes it plain. The children live under his roof. He pays their daily expenses. That's what matters here.
On 3 days off, sometimes 3 days on, 2 days off.
Okay.
My schedule is very irregular.
Which means that the children are with him most of the time. So you should be paying child support.
They come to me and my mother's home a lot of the time.
Right. And I get it. However, the law is very straightforward. Whoever the child lives with, the children in this case, live with, majority of the time, they're going to be considered the custodial parent. And the non-custodial parent has the obligation to pay child support. That's the way that it works. You said you're a nurse. How much money do you make?
Around $80,000 a year.
Let me see. Okay, yeah, I see.
The judge delivers a firm correction. When the mother left the home, she owed child support. From that moment forward, 2 months went by. No payments. That time doesn't disappear. It becomes back pay. And today, that debt gets addressed.
Your check stubs here, and how much do you make?
$125,000 a year.
Okay, do
he's
you
doing
all
fine.
split, excuse me?
He's doing fine.
You are too, you make $80,000 a year. You're not doing fine?
I am doing fine.
Oh, okay. I mean, so you both are doing well. So those little comments, they're unnecessary. $125,000 a year.
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
all share custody like she's saying?
Yeah, they're over there every now and then.
Well, when you say every now and then,
Well, they live with me.
okay.
You know, they live under my roof. I pay their insurance.
Well, that's my question.
Yeah.
They're not with you a full week and then they're with her a full week and you guys are rotating and
No.
everything like that. Then yeah, that really doesn't justify you not paying child support. And yes, you should have given him child support when you left. Okay? You had the obligation to do that. When you were no longer living with the children and you left them to live with him, you owed him child support. So you are
The court calculates gross income, net income, 2 children, health insurance costs. Every figure is laid out clearly. The final number lands hard. Monthly child support, $1,240. Plus health insurance reimbursement. Total, $1,448.45 every month.
going to be paying child support starting today, and you also are going to give him back 2 months worth of back pay. Okay? So, based on the documents that you turned in, I have your gross at $80,000 broken down to $6,606. Ooh, it's got tongue tied. It's a lot of sixes. $6,666.67. That brings your net to $4,961.81. Make sure, and 2 children, correct?
Yes,
Who carries health insurance?
I do.
How much is health insurance?
$208 a month.
208, okay. So you're also going to be reimbursing that to him every month, okay? And that coverage is for the children only, right?
Right.
Yeah, you are going to reimburse that to him, okay? So your child support amount is $1,240.45 plus the 208 for the health insurance, $1,448.45.
The court calculates gross income, net income, 2 children, health insurance costs. Every figure is laid out clearly. The final number lands hard. Monthly child support, $1,240. Plus health insurance reimbursement. Total, $1,448.45 every month.
And then your back pay, you're just going to pay that out monthly, adding in, I'd say about $50 a month added into that as well. So do you understand that?
Okay, is there a set time that I guess until the back pay is completed?
Yes, when
At
the
whatever
back
rate works.
right. When the back pay is completed, that $50 will drop off. You know, you can pay the full amount. I mean, if you want to, it's about $2,480. You can pay it in one lump sum if you want to. Pay it out over like $50. $50 really doesn't cover a lot of the interest, but I mean, that's the lowest that it can go.
Oh, yeah, I'm not asking for the.
Both parties listen. Questions are answered. The ruling is clear. The path forward is defined. No more confusion. No more assumptions.
Monthly amount to be lower. I understand that.
Okay.
We can take care of it however you decree.
Okay. So do you all have any other issues or anything needing addressing today?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Well, if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
The judge closes the case with authority and purpose. When parents separate, children still need stability. Support is not optional. It is the law. Whoever the children live with most, that parent is entitled to support. And today, The court makes sure that obligation is met.